everyone, welcome to Rosina Ma'am's English classroom.
It's story time!
Welcome, the wise old bird. Deep in the forest, there stood a very tall tree. This tree was the home of a flock of doves. One of the doves was a wise old bird. He noticed a small keeper at the foot of the tree. He called the other birds, "Dear friends, can you see a small keeper at the foot at the tree? Let's tree it, or else it become a problem for us. Anyone can easily climb up." The birds don't agree, as they were careless and did not feel the danger in it. Soon the keeper started to grow thinker and stranger. It began winding its way up the tree. One morning, when the devon gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the tree and spreads his net, there to catch the flock of doves. In the evening, the doves returned home. They did not notice the net and found Themless trapped in it. They cried for help and sought the advice of the wise elders. "Dear friends, the hunter welcome to take is in the morning. Everybody should pretend to be dead. Dead birds are useless to a hunter. He will throw as way when he throws the last one. We shall all fly away at once." Next morning, when the hunter came, the doves did what the wise dove had said and flew away happily. The hunter was surprised to see all of them escape.